Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that very popular Husqvarna 55 Rancher chainsaw. This one is used, features a used 20-inch sprocket nose bar and a new 3/8 chain. And we'll get a close-up of some of the features this saw has. Choke is right here, easy to get at on the left. Kill switch right here. This is a choke and a throttle lock. When you pull it out, it trips the trigger, so you don't have to be holding your finger trying to start this saw. It makes it a lot easier to start. You push that choke in, it still has the throttle tripped, and you'll hear a little click here. That's going down to an idle. It's got the hand guard and foot pad here. Works as a hand guard in case the chain throws. You can see you got some protection here. And works as a foot pad when starting this saw. It's a high compression engine, so you start it on the ground, put your foot in the foot pad there, get a good grip on the handlebar, and you can start the saw. Side load on the fuel and oil reservoir. Fuel right here, oil reservoir up front. Working chain brake. It's got the double falling spikes, which is really nice for holding that saw when you're falling. Just the tensioner. Loosen the two bar nuts up. And right here is the tensioner right there. Just a very popular wood cutting saw. It's a very nice saw, very clean, runs beautiful. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.